Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you something exciting and beautiful vibrant soup that's called sweet potato soup. For that we need sweet potatoes, we need carrot, onion, garlic, ginger, with turmeric, cumin, salt, pepper. I'm not going to use any stock, I'm going to use the water today, and I'm going to have some coconut milk. Let's start. This is the new sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, viewers, we peel them and now we're going to cut them in small pieces. So what's going to happen, they're going to cook very fast and quick. We call it bournois, small dice. Viewers, we're going to put little bit of oil in a pan. We add our garlic, onion and ginger. Now we're going to add our salt and the pepper. Or turmeric and cumin powder. Now we're going to add all the root vegetables, carrot, sweet potato, viewers, what happens is the spices is going to burn, so we add little bit of water to it. If you got the stock, you are more than welcome to use the stock. I'm going to using the water today. So now I'm going to add all my water. We're going to put it in a medium low heat and simmer it for 20 minutes. Viewers, look at that. My soup is cooking away. It's going to take around another 10 minutes time. Then my carrot is soft. My sweet potato is nearly there. So then we're going to blend them with coconut milk. Viewers, my carrots are cooked. My sweet potatoes are cooked. Everything is cooked. Now I'm going to blend them with a hand blender. Viewers, if you think your soup is quite thick, you can add a bit more water. Of course, we're going to add coconut milk in a few minutes. Viewers, we garnish it with a little bit of coconut milk. Look at that, how beautiful they look. They look yummy and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit with a sliced bread or a bread roll. What could be better than that? Enjoy and bon appetit. Viewers, if you like the food, please subscribe my channel, or if you already done it, thank you very much. And if you enjoy the food, please put your thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy and bon appetit.